Let's create a storage bucket in Google Cloud. To create a storage bucket in Google Cloud, start by logging into your Google Cloud account. First, select the dedicated project. Click the drop-down, and a project list will appear in a modal. Choose your desired project from this list. If you don't already have a project, click New Project. Enter the project name, organization, and location, then click Create. Once the project is selected, click on the Create button. This opens a page displaying the default settings for creating a storage bucket. Enter the name of your storage bucket, then click Continue. In the next step, you'll select the location type for storing your data. Google provides default settings here, but you can adjust these if needed. Click Continue to proceed. Now, choose the storage class for your data and click Continue to proceed to the next step. You'll then see controls for accessing objects. Adjust these as needed, then click Continue again. In the next step, configure your data protection settings. When you're ready, click Create to proceed. It's now time to configure access restrictions. A modal will appear to confirm restrictions on public access. Since restricting public access is best practice, click the Confirm button. Your storage bucket has now been created. The following screen will confirm its creation. To set up permissions, click the Permissions tab. Under the Permissions tab, click Grant Access. Here, you'll configure access for the service account. Enter the email of the service account. If you need the email, return to the ChromeOS Readiness tool, Wizard modal, copy it, and paste it in the New Principals field. Next, assign the Storage Object Admin role. Click Select Role, then Cloud Storage, and choose Storage Object Admin. Once selected, click Save. To get the storage bucket name, navigate to the Objects tab and copy the bucket name. Paste this name when prompted and click on Connect the storage bucket. Once the storage bucket is successfully connected, you'll see a green checkmark confirming the process is complete.